Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the question format in Google Forms into a multiple choice questions. So here I've already opened the Google form on my computer, and these questions right here, I'm going to change it into multiple choice. And as you guys can see here, the current format is a short answer. And if you want to change it into a multiple choice, what you need to do is just click on this box. So this box is the type of questions that you want to create. So here you can select from here, and to change it into multiple choice you can just select this option, multiple choice, and it will be changed like this. And you can just type in the type, the options, the answer option, the first one, for example here, like this. And if you want to create the next question with the multiple choice, you can just click on the plus in here, and it will automatically add the multiple choice question. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.